time before Olympics was very, very short to us. We had several problems, internal problems in ICSD was solved just in final November. Then the time to prepare Caxias for these games was very, very short. Then we did a planning, starting from the strategies, then objectives, legacy, and to build the plans and actions to arrive here. Today we have involved with the games about 1,000 people. Considering volunteers, interpreters, staff, also referees and auxiliary body for all modalities. We don't have government financing support. Then we are built it with sponsors and with a peculiar situation from Brazil, because we have some exchange difference. Then we have entries and the travel package with in dollars and reais. We have a spread that we can build the one of the good solutions for finance. But it's a peculiar situation of Brazil in this moment. We had some support also for the state government of Rio Grande do Sul. It's very important, and also with the Caxias do Sul government. The city mayor has organized to us several services with your organization. Then we have a lot of resources with value that disponible to us. Then the financial support for all the games have several funds to absorb the total cost of the competition. About $8 million. To organize the Olympic Games in too short time was a great challenge. And we would like to have the comprehension of all delegations around the world that all disciplines of sports have good venues organized in too short time. Of course, we have the logistics system. We have the all services for the delegations, for the people. then I believe, we have enough comfort, enough quality of reception for all people that come here. It's a great pleasure to organize the games here in Brazil and in Rio Grande do Sul. Caxias is a middle city with a strong economy. It's an industrial and touristic place. Then we have a pride to have the Olympics in our city.